love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you look keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Come in at 6 in the morning, where you been?
Oh, it's recording. Wow. I almost feel guilty because it's been like so long since I've made a video. You know how you haven't went to class for a long time, and then that one day you come to class and you feel like your teacher's looking at you like, why the are you here? That's how I feel. But not to mention sometimes I only show up to class on days that we got tests. We're not gonna get into that tea. Anyways, it is summertime, so I guess today's look, yeah, we're gonna get straight to the point. I guess today's look is going to be an all natural summertime look. I know y'all see my face, but I'm saying that because it's likely that could change. Okay, I could get up on here and say all natural, and then I get into it and I want to be all extra. All right, but yeah, let's get straight into this video and stay tuned. So first off, we're gonna start with the brows, and y'all don't mind my edges, okay? I just washed my face and all of that, I guess, gel and whatnot cleared off. And speaking of which, so I know y'all have heard about Eco Styler basically not being so eco. But I don't know, you know, let me guys, wow. I just had to, I don't know, had to, you know, do some research for myself. Well, I have to, I ain't did it yet. But just hearing about it, I'm just like, dang, every time you think you got something that's eco or that's supposed to be, you know, black girl friendly, and it just turns out that it's not. But that's okay, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna use now to lay my edges because everything else makes this curl up. So
Where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, okay. How would you like it if I do the things you do? What? Put you on, do not disturb and entertain it, dude. What? How would you like it if I do the things you do? What? Put you on, do not disturb and...
Hey girl, bring it back.
Do y'all know makeup expires? And makeup expires, y'all. So I've read. Comment down below and let me know which makeup products that you're currently still using that are supposed to be expired. Okay. So after spending 2 decades on my brows, we're finally complete. And by the way, I did my brows with the e.l.f. Dip Brow and the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I used the Go Brow Eyebrow Mascara by Kiss. We're gonna take some of this Becca primer, and I don't know what it is about this primer, but it tends to make my foundation very better. Say, I did mention that this primer tends to be a little patchy. Well, it can make your foundation patchy. Now, whether that's me using the Black Radiance one or me even using the Maybelline, I mean, this primer shrunk. So what I'll do is I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and before I put on my foundation, I will spray my face, and I do put on minimal foundation, y'all. This is, again, honestly, this is like my everyday look, but it's also a summer look, really, I'll say, because I just like to keep it really light. Really light. But today, we're going to use a different foundation. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Air in Deep Bronze. Oh, not to mention, I forgot to say, the concealer I used to conceal my brows was LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. Okay.
Hey girl, bring it back.
I feel like it's basically dried on my face, I will go ahead and take my Black Opal setting powder in the shade medium. I've been missing because I started my job working at State Farm, and this was a regular we could say 9 to 5, but it was like 8:30 to 5:30. Really, like 6:30, I wasn't like leaving the office till about that time. So I kind of just put everything on the back burner because I was working and I was trying to go to school full time, and it was just too much to try to do a makeup videos and work in school at the same time. And then also I wasn't staying on campus anymore, so, and I was doing online classes, and I tell y'all, online classes take discipline. But I'm gonna go ahead and just fast forward through this part. Well, I done talked the whole lot and I'm pretty much done, so I don't really know. I don't really know what I'm fast forwarding through. Oh God, this is terrible. But I'm just going to, I guess I don't really bake. I really like press the powder into my skin, and then I brush off the excess.
I just can't win with this today. And
contour shade in y'all, in Ebony from Ruby Kisses. Like, less is more, baby. Unless I'm being extra, baby.
Hey girl, bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 girl, bring it back, 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 hey girl, bring it back, 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 back.
Juvia's Place. The Zulu palette. I'm going to take the brown color and I'm going to put that in my transition area.
Hey girl, bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 girl, bring it back, 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 back.
I'm gonna take some yellow today because I ain't touched my yellow in a little minute now. But I'm gonna just put that in the middle and kind of blow that out. And y'all, if y'all feel like this blending is taking a long time, it is. I'm a huge blender because I feel like the more you blend, the softer, the better it looks. And that's kind of like what I'm going for. I'm going for a soft look today. And if, you know, it's not blended, then it's going to look harsh. And I think I don't know if I'm going to put on lashes today, but this look might call for it. All right, so after another decade, like, I don't think y'all really know how hard it is to put on lashes. Well, for me in particular, I actually dread putting on lashes. Look, if they don't look like sisters to you and they look like cousins, that's your problem, okay? This is working for me. Lately gotten into the wet highlighter look, but what I mostly do is I take my Mario Badescu spray and I spray one of my brushes. And I just kind of like dip it on there. And I will go over just some of the places on my face.
Hey girl, bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 girl, bring it back, 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 hey girl, bring it back, 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 hey girl, bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 back.
Yeah. So then to take the Wild and Radiant palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this color, and I'm going to put that right over the wet highlighter. Yes, y'all, I'm trying to glow in this summer light. I'm trying to be the sun. Okay. And by the way, that I don't even know what it was called. This wet highlighter, well, liquid highlighter, was Wet n Wild in the shade Gilded Glow. That's what that was. Okay, that's what that was. Gilded Glow. What I'll do is I'll take my brush, just because I did kind of just blur out some of this eyeshadow, but I'll just take my brush and go back in there, okay, and bring out my color. Well, bring my color back in, since I kind of took a lot, not even kind of, I really took a lot of it out. But all in the name of highlighting, ain't it? To set my face with the Hard Candy Matte Spray, and then after that, I will come back with the finished look. That's including the fit and the accessories. But yeah, so. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. Edges laid using the deadly Eco Styling Gel. No, to be honest, seriously, like, if y'all know any other gels or whatever, I'm gonna have to take it back and just start using the black gel or whatever, because this right here is messed up. But alright, you guys, this is the final look. I just went ahead and added some Hard Candy Velvet Mousse in the color Snapdragon around my lips. And then I used the Intense Lip Polish by Absolute New York in the color Nude in the middle of my lip. I love me a nice nude lip. If not nude, I do love glossy. But I thought that, you know, this went pretty good with the look. Just something really simple, not too much. Of course, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this was supposed to be a summer kind of look, and I think this is pretty summery. It's, you know, it's not a lot of products. Definitely don't feel suffocated. Y'all know when makeup is suffocating, okay? Y'all know, but this is not suffocating. This is very minimal. I mean, a lot of powder, but if you have oily skin like me, then you're gonna want to use a lot of powders just to try to limit the amount of oiliness. But of course, do moisturize your skin, because if your skin is overly dehydrated, then you will have to, well, not you, but your skin will get oilier. But definitely, if you guys have any questions or concerns, comments, definitely leave them in the comment section, and I will be happy to address all of those. And I will be putting up a short video of just how I maintain my braids, also how I style them. I know you probably can't see them too well, but I do have a couple beads in here. I'm not going to get too deep into that because this video is already long as heck. But I do have a couple beads in here. And shout out, I'm not going to say her name because she don't want everybody to know. But shout out to the girl who did my hair. But thank you guys so much for watching. And you guys have a great day, great week, great weekend. You know, I'm not sure when you're going to watch this. But whichever one you do, you have a good one. Epi Nabwe Pita, thank you so much. And